Welcome to episode 8 of Rosan's Voice. At home, the policeman who rescued Rosan and Faith kept on seeing daunting images of Rosan's agony as he fed Faith. Faith didn't eat or drink anything. It just looked at the policeman with eyes filled with questions. "You will die if you don't eat," said the policeman looking at Faith. Faith kept looking at him as if it wanted to talk to him. "Listen up, dog. Rosan recently lost her mother. You want her to lose you too?" said the policeman. "How much pain can Rosan's heart take? How much? She's only human after all," said the policeman saddened. Faith just silently looked at the policeman and softly shifted its head to gaze at the door. It moved with its weak, hungry body and started scratching the door. The policeman asked Faith to stop, but it just kept scratching until finally the policeman gave in. "Okay, fine," said the policeman. Back at the hospital, Rosan managed to enter Rosan's ward disguised as a nurse. He found Rosan gazing at the hospital wall, tears from her eyes soaking the hospital pillow. Rosan's condition could have melted Rosan's heart if it wasn't so dark and cold. He came close to Rosan, took out a knife, and placed it on Rosan's neck. "Don't scream, or else you will die a slow and painful death," said Rosan. Rosan didn't scream, she was numb. Rosan and his knife only delayed her tears. It was as if she gave up on life. She was not shaken at all, which surprised Rosan. "So, you are not afraid of death," said Rosan. Rosan just kept mute. Rosan delivered Rob's message to Rosan. He told Rosan that Rob sent him to inform her that if she doesn't drop the charges against him and his family, he will kill Rosan's parents, starting with her mother. Rosan slowly lifted her eyes and said, "How many times shall my mother die?" Rosan was even more astonished by Rosan's eyes than her reply. Something in Rosan's eyes looked familiar. It was something he couldn't explain, something from another lifetime ago. Rosan somehow unknowingly managed to do what all of Rosan's victims were not able to do, which was to bring fear in Rosan's cold, dark heart. He had to clue the small crack in the dark shield covering his heart that Rosan's eyes made before it was totally smashed. He kneeled to Rosan and came closer to Rosan's face as he said, "So, your mother died, I assume." "Not fair at all. I wanted to kill 2 people. Now, I only have to kill 1. If it was your father that died, I could have been happy. But no, it had to be your mother. Do you know the thrill it brings to kill a woman? They scream, beg, and cry." "Shut up!" said Rosan, grabbing the knife Rosan placed on her neck. Will Rosan win her battle with Rosan? Will Rosan kill Rosan like his other victims? What will happen to Faith now that it refuses to eat or drink? Find out in the next episode of Rosan's Voice.